Every morning, you wake up and, bad idea, check your phone first. Memes, dance clips, clickbait, notifications. Your attention gets shredded before breakfast. Then you jump into work. Emails, messages, meetings, side projects, a few random tabs for research. You try to juggle it all, but instead of balance, you drop everything. And when you do get overwhelmed, you procrastinate. You push the important stuff to tomorrow, but your brain doesn't buy it. It keeps holding on to the stress in the background, like a browser with 101 tabs open that you swear you'll close later. Even when your screen looks clean, your brain is lagging, overheated, foggy, heavy. You don't need another coffee. You don't need another productivity hack. What you need is a reset. Part 1. The reset button. The reset button isn't magic. It's not instant, but it works. Think of it like rebooting a frozen phone or restarting the Wi-Fi router when your internet dies. Your brain needs the same thing. Without resets, your system overheats. With resets, everything runs smoother, sharper, faster. Part 2. The science behind the reset. Here's what actually happens. When you never pause, your stress hormone, cortisol, builds up. Your prefrontal cortex, the part that handles focus and planning, starts to shut down, and your amygdala, the fear center, takes over. That's when you turn into a stress-driven version of yourself, scanning for problems, reacting to noise, but solving nothing. But when you reset, pause, breathe, move, cortisol settles. Your smart brain switches back on. You start thinking clearly again. Even a few minutes of true reset can break the stress loop, and the more often you practice it, the faster your brain recovers. Part 3. The daily reset habits. 1. Micro breaks. Stand, stretch, shake it out. 1 minute is enough to remind your brain, we're safe, we're not trapped. That tiny pause boosts blood flow, lowers tension, and clears mental clutter. No time? Do it while your coffee brews. 2. Flip the stimulation order. Most people start the day with dopamine hits. Short videos, messages, noise. Then they wonder why work feels impossible. Your brain goes from candy to plain oatmeal. No wonder you can't focus. Flip the order. Do the hard, boring thing first. Save the dopamine feast, the fun stuff, for later. If focus feels impossible, start small. Set a 15-minute timer and do the first chunk. Momentum builds faster than motivation ever will. 3. Deep breathing. 2 minutes. That's all. Inhale deep, drop your shoulders, exhale slow. Each breath tells your nervous system, we're fine. Your thoughts slow down, heart rate drops, and clarity sneaks back in. 4. The brain dump upgrade. When your mind feels overloaded, it's because you're carrying too much mental clutter. Tasks, worries, random ideas, all bouncing around up there. Dump it. Write everything down. Then sort it using the Eisenhower matrix. Urgent and important, do it now. Important but not urgent, schedule it. Urgent but not important, delegate or automate. Not urgent, not important, delete. It's like taking out the trash in your head. You'll feel 10 pounds lighter mentally. 5. Change of environment. Step outside. Get some sunlight. Feel the air. Fresh input resets your brain chemistry. Even just walking to the window can break a thought loop. Nature is the cheapest therapist you'll ever meet. 6. Meditation or power nap. 10 to 20 minutes. Eyes closed. Either sit still or nap lightly. No guilt, no scrolling. Meditation helps your brain untangle the noise. Power naps recharge it like a short pit stop. These aren't lazy breaks, they're maintenance. Reset time is brain fuel. Part 4. The mega reset. Daily habits are good, but the real reset comes from the basics. 1. Sleep. 7 to 9 hours, non-negotiable. That's your brain's deep clean cycle. Without it, you're running updates on 1% battery. 2. Water. Hydration keeps your brain gears running smooth. Keep a glass within reach. If it's visible, you'll actually drink it. 3. Exercise. Move daily. Walk, stretch, lift, whatever works. It's the best cognitive enhancer ever discovered. If exercise came in a pill, it'd be the most prescribed drug in history. The payoff. After these resets, everything changes. You think clearer, decisions get easier, work stops feeling like war. With practice, your brain learns to recover faster, stay calmer, and think sharper. You stop surviving your days and start designing them. Clarity isn't something you wait for, it's something you reset every day. If this video helped you slow down for a second, good. Now it's time to go deeper. Watch how to trick your brain to like doing hard things. It's the science-backed way to stop fighting your mind and start rewiring it. Click it next and make your brain work for you, not against you.